And but like usually they say not to wash hair every day.
That's all bullshit. Don't
Oh,
listen.
really?
Yeah, that's all
Oh,
bullshit. Would
okay.
you go without washing your face every day? I mean, women, they use all kind of skincare stuff to
Right.
do scrubbing for the face and wash their face. And,
Okay.
And then they leave their scalp with all the dirt and. No,
Okay.
you should. You treat your scalp exactly like your face. If you wash your
Okay.
face every day 2 times, you wash your hair every day 2 times.
Oh my goodness,
Right?
okay.
You don't let your. If you don't want to put shampoo on the length,
Okay.
you could, but you should never leave your scalp.
scalp. Ah, okay.
So
All
that
right,
hair, it's okay. It's a different story.
Yeah.
You could get in the shower, use shampoo only on the roots, clean the roots, and you don't need to put shampoo on the length. You
Got
can
it.
just use whatever treatment or a mask or whatever it's
Right,
using.
right, okay.
But scalp, it should be
Has-
treated exactly like your skin.
Okay.
How much is falling out?
A lot.
A lot of.
There's a lot.
How old is your baby?
4.5 months.
4.5 months. You still breastfeeding?
Yes.
Okay. Because usually when you stop feeding, that's when more hair fall starts. Actually.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, because that's when the hormones shifts and drops, and
okay.
that's this is just the beginning.
Right.
Hopefully, it doesn't get worse than this.
I mean, I don't know how it can't, but one more thing about postpartum hair loss and then the regrowth process. I've seen how sometimes hair can like literally grow out from all corners. So in that sense, like, is there anything specific that you think we should address?
We just want to make that growth stage
Okay.
as fast as possible.
Right, okay.
So the more we get the health back to the follicles, the more that short hair growing make it through the length.
Right, okay.
If the speed of growth is slow,
Yeah.
you're gonna make the hair take forever
Oh, okay,
to make
okay.
it longer again.
Okay.
So
Got it.
we focus on clean scalp.
Okay.
Wash every day if you can.
Okay.
Treat the hair and
Yeah.
the scalp every day.
Okay.
And you just within a year you should pass this stage.
Okay.
In regards of your oily roots on the top, I will give you something to detox your follicles
Okay.
because that's the main issue now. You
Right.
have oily roots
Okay.
and you're having now the stage of the hair fall.
Exactly.
I'll give you something to detox the follicles
Okay.
to eliminate all that
Right.
problems. The
Okay.
scalp reset that we have, it targets all the issues related to follicles.
Okay, fine.
Blood circulation,
Yeah, yeah.
hydration, inflammation in the follicles.
Okay.
If there's any buildup of oils, bacteria, or
Okay.
any fungal.
Right.
Anything, even if the function of the follicle is not working well, it activates them as much as possible.
Ah, okay.
Soon we restore your follicles to the
Right.
health,
Okay.
their function, then you should start having a better impact.
And how often do I have to put it in?
Every time you wash your hair, you do
Ah,
it
okay.
before the shower.
Shower, okay,
You
got
leave
it.
it for, let's say, half an hour or 1 hour, then you jump in the shower.
And like, when would I start seeing the difference for?
Some I have sent it last week to people.
Okay.
I have people they used to have irritation and skin problems,
Right.
and I'm starting to receive lots of good feedback. So I'm really
Oh,
happy
okay.
with that.
All right,
It's all
okay.
natural. So when you put it on your scalp,
Okay.
you could just leave it for 1 hour, 2 hours.
Okay.
You don't need to worry about it.
Okay, sounds
It's
good.
after actually 5 to 10 minutes, the skin will absorb it.
Okay.
So you will not feel that there's anything there.
Right, okay.
And if there is no positive improvement, there's
Yeah.
no negative improvement.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I put all my experience within this particular product. So,
Mm-hmm.
and when you see the ingredients later, you're gonna be blown away with what's in there.
Okay,
Everything
okay.
good about product that works with the follicles, it's in there. I will
Okay.
explain to you
Okay,
later anyway.
sure.
Okay.
I'm looking for a complete refresh. I kind of want to go bald on the decision of you deciding how long my hair should be.
Okay.
Because I've had long hair all of my life, mostly, but postpartum means I can't take care of it. So if I go very short, I don't want to look like Lord Farquaad, do you know that? So I'm a bit afraid to do that. But I think maybe something like that long would be nice. But because I have a little bit of a frizzy or thick hair, when it does grow out eventually after the loss, I don't know how it's going to look like. So what do you suggest?
We discussed before we had this video that
Okay.
you want to have a change, not just because of the few
Yeah.
strands of the gray. So usually when there is only a minimum amount of gray, I tend not to mess up with the natural roots.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
you don't want to mess up with 99.9% of your hair.
Yeah.
Just for the sake of hiding.
Like a few things, yeah,
those few things. The only thing I can do usually for clients is target this one that bothers you, give
Right.
it a darker gray color.
Yeah.
So instead of looking silver, it will look like darker gray.
Okay.
In terms of the length, because you've been putting semi-permanent,
Yes.
and semi-permanent will react. It might wash out a little bit
Yeah.
faster than the permanent,
Yeah.
but pigmentation is still the pigmentation.
Right,
When you
okay.
lighten, it's still going to have an impact on the color.
Okay.
So the impact's still quite
the
the same.
same. Okay.
So when I lighten the hair, I'm still going to have a lot of redness and orange through the length.
Right. Okay.
So,
got it.
For me, when the hair is quite dark and I want to do a little bit of change through the length, I need to always think the leftover that I haven't lightened, how much they're gonna impact the color.
Right. Okay.
I don't think about the one that I'm gonna do, how it's gonna impact the color. I always think what's left is gonna impact the color.
Right. Okay.
The darker the hair is, it's gonna take over.
Okay.
So
Got
if you
it.
put 20, 30, 40%, let's say lighter strands on the ends, they're not gonna show. The dark one will
Okay.
take over unless
Okay.
we go extremely light. But
Right,
your
right.
hair, because it's quite dark, it will break before it gets lighter.
Right.
And
Yes. In
because
terms of the health of the hair.
this is the thing. We
Yeah.
have to be careful because your hair is already quite dry from here down.
Yeah.
And it's falling.
Yes.
So we have to be careful with how
Right.
much we push light.
Okay.
You expressed yourself earlier that you don't want it to look light. You
Yeah.
want it as minimal kind of maintenance as possible.
Yes, exactly. Something that would kind of complement my color tone and
Okay.
also not turn orange down the line.
Okay, so what I would suggest that we go with a chocolatey color through the length. Now, if your hair would be natural, I would be able to easily introduce a color without using bleach, like
Okay.
using a high lift color.
Right,
But in
okay.
your case, I have to use
Okay.
bleach.
Right.
So the best and the safest way to do it is I'm gonna target the top with balayage, where I can paint the color
Okay.
and have a perfect blend,
okay.
a perfect transition from your dark to your lighter one, because
Got
we're
it,
going to have a visible connection.
Right, and it won't look like streaky or
Yes,
anything.
exactly.
Okay, got
But
it.
because I want speed at the same time, I'm not going to go ahead and do balayage everywhere.
Right, okay.
So what I'm going to do, I will do a full bleach
Okay.
at the hidden part, which
Okay.
means from here down.
Okay.
But with a full bleach, it's actually more safe than
Okay.
doing a balayage bleach.
Oh,
Because with
okay.
a full bleach, we can dump the bleach on the hair in
Right.
5 minutes.
Ah, okay.
Now, when we take a thick section like
Yeah.
that and we make it soaking in bleach,
Yeah.
we're still gonna, with our hands, kind of
Yeah.
try to paint the color. So we have a bit of transition. But that's gonna give me a speed.
Right.
So when we finish, at least I'm gonna guarantee that majority of the hair that's coming from the back
Right.
is chocolatey.
Right.
The minute we shift toward the top,
Yeah.
we have a balayage that still ends with a chocolate that matches
Right.
the back.
Okay.
But the connecting area here
Okay.
between your natural and the chocolate will be a perfect connection.
Right. Okay. And is it going to look more like dimensional in that
On
sense?
that surface.
Okay.
But at the bottom will look one color.
Right. Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want to create 2 dimensions colored on the length,
Yeah.
we're gonna go back to the problem that your hair is too dark.
yeah.
The chocolate is not far away from it.
Yes, yes,
Then
yes.
you're gonna tell me
Like
I don't
see the
much of a
difference.
difference.
Yeah. Makes
Okay.
sense.
Now, when we finish, all your natural will remain the same on the
Okay.
top. Only this part where you have the gray, I'm gonna try to hide it a little bit.
Okay.
Then we will treat the hair with the antifrizz to remove
Okay.
a good amount of the frizziness and the damage.
Yeah.
Now, one thing you have to keep in mind that whenever we do a balayage or we do such a color, I don't like to go too short.
Okay.
Especially when the hair is quite thick,
Right. Okay.
because I like to spread the color over a good length.
Okay.
The minute we go shorter, you're gonna feel
Yeah.
like everything is starting
Right
to look,
there.
it's too heavy. It's the color is not spread it nicely.
Okay.
Even if I want to do a bit of layering, to go aggressively with the top layers,
Right.
to free up the top so you can have a nice movement.
Got it,
I
okay.
will not be able to do that because everything is already short.
Okay. So what would you suggest in
I
terms
would
of
take
length?
not more than
Okay.
this much.
All right.
Okay, but I will go more aggressively with the layers on the top.
Okay. All right.
This way,
It would give me
we
more
get a
movement.
change, we
Okay.
get a movement. We get a really nice lift at the top,
Okay.
and we get a change in the color
Right.
with easy and low maintenance.
Okay.
And we get to hide your gray level.
Okay.
Then if you don't want to do your color again for another 2 years, you
Yeah.
could do that.
Okay.
You don't live here, you're traveling from
London.
From London. Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll give you a color, you could dump it on the lens whenever you feel like it's washing out and
Okay.
becoming lose the depth of it, so you can bring that back.
Sounds good.
I'll give you the breakdown of the price, then
Okay.
we can start right
Yeah,
away.
sounds good.
Yeah, thank you. It's been a long day for you. Yeah. It's been a really long day for you.
It was worth it.
So the ends were really stubborn, and that's what I told in the beginning. Doesn't
Yes.
matter if it's semi-permanent or permanent.
Yeah.
Dark colors are dark colors. They're gonna always be as stubborn when you lighten them.
Right.
There's this myth that semi-permanent, they're
Yeah.
easy to lighten. It's the same thing.
Right.
Now, when they're lighter, a little bit easier to remove, but
Yeah.
pigmentation is pigmentation. They're gonna always have
The stronghold on
strong
the
cord to the hair.
follicles.
Okay.
Got it.
As I mentioned, we combined a full bleach from the bottom with balayage on the top.
Yeah.
That's why when you look at it now,
It's
the
very
transition,
smooth.
like you won't see
Yes.
any lines, like you would see your natural.
Yeah.
Then it transites to an area where you have a combination of both.
Exactly.
Then at the bottom, you start getting the chocolate.
Nice.
Pretty obvious.
Amazing.
فيها معك. I managed to cut a good amount of the damage,
Which
which
is
is great. Managed to cut a lot from the top. So
That's
you'll
good.
notice that this top layer now is way more shorter.
Okay.
I think I cut half of the length.
Okay,
But this is
nice.
the part that's going to give you a good
Movement.
relief on
okay.
the top.
Okay, that's good.
The oily roots and the flat roots, this is I will give you the treatment to
Okay.
use it, and that's all you need.
Amazing.
Okay. Yeah, but that's going to be a good change.
Yeah.
And I like this chocolate reflection.
I
but,
do.
But look how on the top where we have less amount of chocolate, how
Yeah.
the dark as well is already taking over.
Yes.
Imagine you have that everywhere. You're not going
Right.
to see that the feeling
Yes,
of
yes.
what you have now.
Right,
So we
right,
had to
makes
mix
sense.
between two techniques.
Which is really nice.
Yeah. Now, the front, you still have those grays. I mean, it is what it is. You got to just let them be.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. How's the hair texture, by the way?
Very nice.
Like
It's so
feels
soft.
So soft. Okay, I'm gonna get it to stand up for
Yeah.
a minute. Yes. Yeah, the layers actually give it a really layers. You get to show every aspect of the color
Yeah.
at each part. This is stunning on you.
Oh, that's such a lovely color
Look
at the
at that.
back. I love
Because
it.
when you don't see the back, you look at the layers, how much
Yes.
influence they have toward the color.
I love how seamless it is. Like you can't really
Yes.
tell where it starts.
Exactly.
At all.
That's the whole point.
Yeah.
So that's why when you leave it now, because you don't live in UAE,
Yeah.
so when you leave it now for term, when you leave it now for several months,
Yeah. It'll just
it should
grow.
I will give you the
naturally.
color that we applied on the length.
Okay.
Just to give it the refresh look.
When
You
should I
just
do
dump
it?
it in the shower all over the length, not
Okay.
on the roots. 5 minutes, and that's it.
After how long?
I don't know. You
Or
might need to
whenever?
do it after 2 months, maybe
Okay.
after 4 months.
Oh, okay. So whenever I feel like
Yeah.
it needs to.
The treatment I will give you for the lens is going to help to the color to hold as long as possible, as
Okay.
well the texture and the treatment.
Right. So it's just on the ends and
Just
the roots.
yeah, the top's all natural.
Okay, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
You don't need to do anything for another 2 years.
Okay, that's perfect. Amazing.
Okay?
Thank you
Look
so
stunning.
much.
Thank- Yes. Beautiful. Okay, thank you, darling.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Enjoy. You're great. Thanks for your patience.
Oh,
today.
no, of course. Oh, I think